Well, hey there, my scrappy friends. Welcome to my channel, InknWhimsy. I'm Laura Daniels, and I'm real excited to share a new series I'm going to be starting called Scrapbooking-101. And if you've ever wanted to start scrapbooking, but you didn't know how to get started, or you're a scrapbooker and you're looking for ways to step it up a notch and learn some new techniques, this series is going to be for you, and I'm excited. But let me start first and tell you why I started scrapbooking myself. I'm 61. And I realized that I was forgetting more of the stories than I was remembering in them. And that started to hurt my heart because a life well lived is filled with those precious, fun moments that I wanted to be able to put between pages of a book. I also realized my stories were more important than the things I've been collecting. My story was more important than a postcard. My story was more important than a little spoon I collect when I go on a vacation. And I wanted my kids to be able to read the stories. I wanted my granddaughter, Diana Rose, to know the stories. So that's why I started. But you know what happened? I had all these grand ideas on how I was going to start scrapbooking, but I would look at that 12 by 12 sheet of paper and I would just stop. I would pull up short. I'd go, what's the paper I'm supposed to use? What are the embellishments? What about the stickers? And oh my gosh, what is going to match with this? That? And I would just stop. I would never take the next step forward. And that was sad because I had so many fun stories to tell. But this is the answer to that for all of you that are just starting out or you want to learn tips, because I have 2 parts to each video that I'm going to be uploading once a month. And at the end of the year, you're going to have a beautiful book filled with over 24 scrapbook pages that tell your story. Your wonderful, funny, quirky, personal, life-lived story. So let me turn the camera around and I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing every month. Now, I know every single one of you can appreciate the fact that I actually showed my face in a video, and it is not easy to do because you can never look straight ahead. I was actually looking up at my Snoopy dog up in the top left-hand corner that I could see in the camera, so I'd actually be looking at you. And then a couple of different times I needed to look down and look at what I had written so then you could see me looking down. But it is what it is. I did what I did and I know you appreciate it, so thank you. But let's get started now with how we're going to do this actual series that I am so excited about. We're going to start off with the actual starter bundle for scrapbooking, and here it is right here. There are 2 different options, Kit 1 or Kit 2, and we're doing the starter bundle number 1. Next month I will show, well, within a month I'll show the second one. And this is what comes in the actual starter bundle. These are the instructions. I'll show you those in just a second. This is the Everyday Life album. It is absolutely stunning, and it comes in this real pretty green. And then this is what comes in the actual kit. So I'm going to lift it up and set it on top right here. All right, here we go. So this is what you get. And it's everything to get started except a pair of scissors, and you really don't even need scissors. You get the adhesive runner. So this is to be able to tape everything down, and it's specifically created by Close to My Heart. You get some papaya black ink. You have your journaling pen, Le Pen. You have your stamping block. And then you get this set of stamps, starter floral, to be able to do background, add some florals. You get page protectors for your first 2 layouts in your album, and then you get the actual kit. And I'm going to go into more detail what's in the kit. I don't want to pull it out yet, but you get these instructions right here. So these are the 2 layouts we'll do. When you flip it over, it actually shows you where to put everything. There is no thought process needed here. You don't need to struggle with the papers you need, the ephemera, the stickers, how everything's going to, you don't even need to do that. And that is what is so fun about this and what I love about it. Alrighty, so what we're going to be doing each video segment is I'm going to do an unboxing of the kit we're going to be using, and then I'm going to do a basic layout where I just do it exactly what's shown here. And what's fun is you get the same kit and you're just putting it together with me. We're like two friends meeting over a cup of coffee. Then part 2 in that same video is where I'm going to put an artistic flair with it. I'm going to be teaching you different tips, how to tell your story, how to write your story, and just how to embellish this to take it up a notch. So now you're looking at this kit going, all right, Laura, that's all well and good, but what do we do after we've bought this kit? Don't tell me I got to start deciding on my own paper, embellishments, and stickers. No. My friends, I got you covered. We're going to do the cut above layout kits. These come out, you're going to get 2, and it's a set. And they come out in every new bi-monthly Close to My Heart catalog. So this is September and October. And what you'll be seeing is me put together September and then the October layout. So we'll do an unboxing. I will do the basic exactly as it is. We'll be joining as two friends over a cup of coffee, putting it together. And then you're going to see a screen come up. It's going to go artistic embellishments, or I haven't thought about the name yet. I got to work on that. And then I'm going to give you some new ideas for this same kit, how to take it up a notch, and some journaling tips and embellishment tips. Now I told you it was going to be easy, didn't I? So it is going to be easy. And this is what comes in the kit. I'm not going to open this up, but you have a sticker sheet. These pop out so easily, and they're all numbered as to which one goes to the September kit, which one goes to the October kit. You get your photo placement cards. You get page protectors in each kit, so you're all set. Like I said, the end of the year, you're going to have 24 awesome pages that tell your story. And what's even neater is there is a playlist in the description of this entire series, so you'll be able to go back. Let's say you buy the kit a couple weeks later after I've done the video. We can just go back and watch the replay. And here's the best news. We have a VIP program. And when you join the VIP program, you earn 15% spending credit for your next purchase. And you get a free stamp of the month with orders of 50 or more. And I'm starting a Stamp of the Month series. So I'm going to show you how to use that stamp. I stepped away for just a second because I want to give you an example of one of the stamps of the month. This is Voice of the Sea. These are full-size quality stamps that you can earn free just when you place a qualifying order. So you have the VIP program to kind of get you all set, so you're saving even more money. You have the cut above kits for our scrapbooking, and you have the starter kit. It really just does not get any better than this, and we're going to have so much fun together. All right, my friends, I am going to call this a wrap. I'm excited. I hope you are too. And until we meet again, God bless. Have an incredible day and keep writing your story. Bye-bye.